Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Programming Languages. Today we are going to start with MongoDB. So let's see what is MongoDB. MongoDB is derived from the word humongous, which means a lot of data. MongoDB can store a lot of data and can work with it very efficiently. It is faster than any other database. Okay. It is a document oriented NoSQL database. NoSQL. NoSQL full form is not only SQL. NoSQL is an approach to database design that can accommodate a wide variety of data models, including key value and document format. As MongoDB stores data in document format, it is called as document oriented, and it handles information as if it were a structured document. MongoDB is scalable, which means it can handle increased data traffic simply by adding more servers to the database. MongoDB has the ability to become larger and much powerful, making them preferred choice for large and constantly evolving data sets. Let's see why it is called as schemaless. MongoDB stores the data in a collection as documents, and collections are nothing but the tables in SQL database. Each entry in the collection is called as document. Document in a collection may vary from one another in terms of number of fields, size of the document, and content of the document. It doesn't have any schema, unlike SQL database. MongoDB can be used in any project you are building, whether it is a mobile application, a desktop app, or if you are a data scientist, you need some kind of data. You need to store the data, and also you need to fetch the data. With the help of MongoDB, you can do all these things very efficiently. So MongoDB is very flexible. Okay, let's see how MongoDB works. Let's see the database office. This is a database, and the employee and the project, these are the collections. Collections are nothing but the tables inside the database. And each entry in a collection is called as documents. So here name XYZ and age 30, these key value pair, this whole thing is a document inside the employee collection. As you can see in the second document inside the employee collection, it doesn't have that age field. So as the MongoDB is schemaless, you can have any number of fields inside a collection, and it can be different from each other. Okay, let's see one example of document. Here see, it is almost similar to that of JSON key value pair format. You can see name, age, email, phone, address, and hobbies. These are the keys, and John 27, and all these things are values. So address field, you can see it has some other entries like city, state. So it is an aggregate data. And hobbies is in a MongoDB document, you can have list. So hobbies is a type of list. So MongoDB allows you to create complex relations between data and store them into one collection, which makes working with it and fetching the data very efficient. Whereas in case of SQL, you need to write some complex joins between different tables to fetch the data. Okay, thank you guys. This is the introduction of MongoDB. In our upcoming videos, we will cover other important topics of MongoDB. Thank you guys. Hope you like our video. Please do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.